Hello, this is Mrs. J in the library, and in this video I'm going to show you how to very quickly change the colors of these alphabet letter signs that are available to purchase in my shop. So these signs are just simple alphabet letters that can be used on a library shelf to show the author last name or perhaps the alphabetical order that you might have a section in, perhaps your picture books or graphic novels or even your biography section is alphabetized. And so I have divided them up into three sections. So there's the beginning of the alphabet in blue and the middle of the alphabet in green and the end of the alphabet with a couple variations here in red. However, you do not have to keep these colors if you don't want to. You can make them match your school colors or perhaps the branding for your public library. And so here's how you would do that very quickly. If you go to the Design tab I'm using PowerPoint 2016 to edit these PowerPoint files, and go to the Variant section. Click on the drop-down box, and under Colors, you can go to Customize Colors. Now that's to enter your own hex codes or your own custom colors. You can also use any one of these that are listed here. So an important thing to note is that the first two slides that have the blue, that's actually accent number 3. So that's what you'd be changing. The second section of the slides that is green, that's accent number 4, and the last part of the alphabet that's in red is accent number 5. So when you're looking at some of these custom color palettes that Microsoft Office has for you, you're actually looking at the 3rd, 4th, and 5th sections. Okay, so here you would see like it's that sort of deep muted orange is the first one, then the brighter orange would be second, and the reddish orange would be third. And so you can use any one of these to very quickly change the color palette. So these are all sort of greens. They look a little like mermaid green and blue colors, some teals in there. So you can use any one of those, or you can just change them to your own specific custom colors. And so I used one example where I actually used my website colors. However, I will tell you that if a color looks dark on this page, it's going to print out extremely dark when you print it on paper. So this deep ruby red color actually turns out looking more brown and almost a very deep maroon. And same with the green color. It's a very strong green, and so it printed out almost a hunter green or camouflage green when it's printed. So the colors will usually print darker than you think they look right now. These are just some basic colors that are in Microsoft Office. I'll show you here. So this blue color is actually the blue from the standard colors. The green is a standard green, and the red is the standard dark red. But you can edit those in any way that you like, and as soon as you press save on the color palette, it will change all of the letters for you so that they're ready to print out. So thank you for watching, and if you'd like to purchase this product, look for the link in the video description. Thanks, bye.